Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So today I actually wanted to share a kit with you from our kits collection. This is the Cozy and Bright kit. So it is a Christmas card kit, pre-designed, and you get to make 12 cards in this kit. So let me go ahead and open it up, and then I'll give you a little bit more information. Okay, so first of all, I love the box that the kits collection kits come in. This box is so cute. But when I first saw this kit, it jumped out to me and I had to have it because it was something about, let me show you. So you can see everything comes really neatly packaged, but this is what the projects look like. It was something about the oranges and the cinnamon sticks. It just, I don't know, it had a vintage feel to me. It just reminded me of being a kid at Christmas time. And I have an aunt who every year when we go to her house for Christmas, she would give us one of those brown lunch bags, those paper lunch bags, and it would be filled with oranges and walnuts. And I don't know, when I saw this card, it just took me back to that. It just, I don't know, it made me feel like those like vintage vibes. I don't know. It could just be me, but I just had to have this kit. So anyways, I want to share this kit with you guys. So let's look at what all comes in the kit. So you've got your instruction sheet, which is in color. Everything is numbered and really easy to follow. Great images in there, so that's good. You've got your exclusive stamp set. So let me see if you guys can see that. So we've got Happy Christmas and A Joyous New Year. Orange, You Glad It's Christmas, a little punny sentiment. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. May this holiday warm your heart. All is cozy and bright. Celebrate the season. So lots of sentiments. So that is great. So exclusive stamp set to the kit. So dimensionals. These are sticker sheets with the oranges and then whatever that is. And then envelopes that have this nice printed piece in the bottom corner, really cute. Then these are die cut sheets, so our little cinnamon stick bundles, and then our oranges. There should be 4 of these, yep. Then die cuts for the sentiment. And then your pre-printed card bases. Like I said, this kit makes 12. And look at how pretty. First of all, the colors are so vibrant. But then you've got that little gold splatter, which is gorgeous. I love it. And then also you've got this cardboard piece, which you could use this for stamping if you need a little cushion. I like to save these for shipping with. The Stampin' spot is Poppy Parade. I will actually... check my ink here. I'll actually be using the full size. So I'll go ahead and pull that out. Then you get some linen thread, and then you also get a D block. So it's a little bit thinner than our regular D block, but you do get a stamp block, so that's great. So yeah, I mean, everything in here, it's really great. You can create the kit exactly, or if you want to kind of change things up, you can do that too. Kits are flexible. But yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right in and let's start making these, you guys. Okay, so I am going to start with the stamping. So let me decide. I don't know if I want to do the same sentiment for all of them. Okay, I think I'm going to do a mix. I think I'm going to do 4 that say may this holiday, may this holiday warm your heart. I'm going to do 4 that say that. I think my Poppy Parade needs to be re-inked. And then to save time, I'm just going to bring in another block and keep going. I'm going to do 4 that say celebrate the season. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I'm glad they give extra. I didn't stamp that very well. Let's see. Try that again. Okay, much better. That font is really pretty, by the way. And then I want to do Happy Christmas and a Joyous New Year. I love when there's a New Year sentiment. Yeah, I definitely need to re-ink this. Okay, and then I'm gonna bring in one of my favorite tools, which is my Stampin' Scrub, so that I can clean off my stamps really quickly. So with the Stampin' Scrub, we have the mist. You spray the wet side with your Stampin' Mist, and you, whoops, wash your stamp, and then you dry it on the other side. And it's just so quick and easy to clean your stamps. Just getting all of these sentiments popped out, and I've got one to spare since I messed up on one. So there we go. And then I do have my old cell phone timing me off to the side. I wanted to see how long it takes me from start to finish to complete this kit. So if you have any guesses of how long it's gonna take, leave them in the comments before the end of the video. I'd love to see if any of you get it correct. I am gonna cut the video down, so you're not gonna see the full length of time, but I'll show you the timer at the end. But anyways, if you have any guesses, I'm thinking it's gonna take me maybe 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes, I'm gonna say. Okay, so let me, I'm gonna go ahead and pop all of these out. All of these little die cuts, pop them out. And if you just stack all of your sheets together, it makes it a lot faster than going one sheet at a time. Okay, so now I am going to start on these card bases. So I'm going to put the sticker down, the orange stickers down on each of my card bases. So when I am mass producing or batch producing cards, this is what I do. I'll do one component at a time, and I'll do that one component on every single card, and then I'll move on to the next step. So this is how I do it. So when I'm making my customer thank you cards, all of that, this is how I do it. Just one step at a time, and do that same step on all of the cards till it's done. So that's done. So now I need dimensionals on the back of my little orange slices for 8, 12. So I'm gonna get that done, and I'm gonna use up the rest of this dimensional sheet that I already had started before I open up or use the sheet that came with the kit. So let's get these down. Okay, so I'm just gonna start adding this little orange slice onto each of my cards. Okay, so I have got that step complete. All of my little large orange slices are popped up onto each of my cards, so that's done. So next, the instructions tell me to put two dimensionals on my cinnamon sticks and then tie the twine around. Oh, this is gonna be, this is gonna eat up some time. Okay, so we're just taking the cinnamon sticks and 1 and 1 and 1 it says, and then you tie your twine around. Okay, so I got that on there all tied around. So then you would pop this onto your card. Let's see. It's supposed to go, ooh, let's see. It's supposed to go right about there, I guess. Okay, that's cute, very cute. Okay, so I am going to start getting that done on each one. Okay, so I've got all of my cinnamon sticks tied and added on, and the last step is to put dimensionals on the left side of my sentiment and then add a couple of these little cinnamon stars, I don't know what they are, onto each card. So 2 dimensionals on the left side of each sentiment, and then put it onto the card. Let's see. Ooh, that's hanging over the edge too far. I might do it like that. It's a little different than the picture, but that's okay. And then 2 of these stickers. So 1 there and 1 there. So that will finish up each card. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. Okay. Hey, last card finished. I'm going to stop the clock. Place your guesses below in the comments. Okay, so let me just sort these by sentiment. Okay, oh, I'm so excited that I've got these all complete. So let's see. Okay, so celebrate the season. May this holiday warm your heart, and happy Christmas and a joyous new year. So I've got 12 cards here complete with envelopes ready to go. And let's see, 22 minutes and 29 seconds. Wow. So that's not bad, you guys, for 12 cards. I mean, I guess technically I'm not fully finished because I do need to add my sentiment on the inside. So probably once I do that, I don't know, maybe right at 30 minutes for 12 Christmas cards. I don't think that's too bad for 12 cards, but 22 minutes and 29 seconds, pretty good, you guys. So yeah, I love this kit. I think the cards are so cute. So I'll just show you up close, and then you've got that little bit of gold. I think they're so pretty. I just love these cards, and they just give me, I don't know, vintage vibes. I can't explain it, but I really love how they turned out. So I hope that you guys will check out this Cozy and Bright card kit. Really affordable price-wise and really quick to create the cards and get a jump start on your Christmas crafting. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I will have all of the products linked and listed from today's video down in the video description and over on today's coordinating blog post, which is linked down below. I hope that you enjoyed, and stay tuned because I will be back again very soon with another tutorial for you. Bye now.